Let's explore how to view asset event history in safety culture. Without real-time insights into your mobile asset's activity, it's tough to truly understand usage, identify dangerous behavior, or optimize driving routes. Safety Culture's telematics capabilities put you in the driver's seat and provide insight into asset events, which are automated updates from your telematics devices. Simply, they reflect changes in an asset's movement or operating status. These updates help you track usage, identify safety risks, and find ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency. For example, you can view events like idle started ended, indicating when an asset's engine is on but stationary, engine on-off, showing when an asset's engine starts or stops, and location updates, capturing periodic GPS locations to show where an asset was at a specific time. This feature is an add-on package, available with your premium or enterprise plan, and can be enabled per asset. To learn more, contact your customer success manager or our customer support team. To use this feature, you'll need to have telemetry devices set up for your assets and connect them to Safety Culture. You can purchase devices directly from Safety Culture or integrate with a supported telematics provider and sync data from your existing devices. Now we'll go to the web app to walk through viewing asset event history. Head to Assets. You'll need the asset's access permission at a minimum. Then click Event History. Next, you can search for a specific asset using its unique ID, asset type, or display name. To narrow your results further, click Add Filter and filter by site, asset type, or specific asset. I'll filter to a single asset for this example. You can set a date range here. Then expand a day to view its recorded events. Click any event in the list to see the asset's exact location and movement on the map. You can also explore the events directly on the map. Each event will match the icon you see in the event timeline. The purple dots indicate a position update when the asset is in motion. For deeper analysis or record keeping, past events are also available for download as a CSV file. Click here to download. Thanks for following along. Viewing asset event history helps you track usage, identify safety risks, and gain crucial operational visibility across your assets. That's just one way telematics devices help streamline your asset management. The devices can also automatically capture odometer and runtime readings to feed into your asset maintenance programs. To learn more, search maintenance programs in our Help Center. For this and more on assets, head to help.safetyculture.com.